What is up, YouTube? It's Joey here. Messing around with you. Before we get into the video, like, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure to turn on the notifications. If you haven't watched my last vlog, we are doing Nerf. See, there's bullets everywhere. Even all the way over there. Okay?
Yeah, two sides.
Yeah, this is my side that I'm just showing you. And this is your side. We'll play the pool table if we can get the Nerf gun war before this one to 5 likes. Or this one to 5 likes. We'll do the pool. If these videos get to 5 likes, what's that, Jack?
Joey, you got 1 like on my video.
1 like, Jack, and it was probably my
No.
Or it was probably Jackson. Thank you so much, Jackson. Jameson, their sister, Gianna, and Emma for subscribing to my channel. Major shout out to you guys. Oh, 4 more chances for a major shout out. First 10 people. And maybe if we can get this to 10 likes, I'll do first 15 people. Okay? Make sure to hit that like button.
That way you don't miss any of our videos.
Jack, that's notification.
Oh.
Well, still. Jack, crazy. Okay. This is our new Nerf gun. Let's see.
Yeah.
And I'll be using this.
It's pretty good.
And this. Jack will be using the other ones. Well, I'm getting set up. You guys,
Just sit right there.
yeah. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay in this video. Just because I'm not there doesn't mean I'm not here. We just gotta set up all of our guns and we'll start the video. By the way, you guys are sitting on the chair. It's a pretty nice view, I think. That way I can see what you guys see. Sometimes, not really, but like, I won't be staring at the screen, but of course, I could look at the screen.
Oh, Joey, I'm gonna do it. It was really an idea.
Nope. Jack, I just loaded that.
Fine.
Okay, I'll be using this one first. As you guys can see, this, our new one.
Jeez.
Watch this. I hit him.
Joey, you made it!
What?
Look, Joey, you made it!
I made what? Oh, wait, what?
You made it!
This is for all my subscribers. I shot and I made it in this hole. No way! You guys! Oh, he shot me. Am I in position? Nice position, right? Oh, he shot you guys. Try not to shoot our viewers. The resubs. I got him!
I'll get you.
I missed. Oh no. I ran out of bullets! I guess I gotta use this gun. The sniper rifle.
My sniper rifle is more better.
Really? Oh! He shot me! Shot me in the belly. Belly. Wait, Jack, pause. Pause. You guys, look at this. This is how I load and reload my gun every time. So I go like that. How does it not hurt your knee? And then I go like this. I put it in, and I go like this, like a gangster.
Gangster!
Right! You know?
How about you're a ball and I No.
No.
To be inside the ball.
No, that's not the
To be inside the ball. I don't know how to say it anymore. I know.
Jack is crazy.
I know. Jack, where's your gun? Joey? On the couch. Jack, Jack, don't touch the viewers. I know. Don't touch them, but bring me the chair. Don't touch the. Hey, don't touch my camera. But
You have a little bit of
Jack,
a
stop. Just bring it to. You'll see what I'm
Jack.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Jack. Comment down below if you have any younger or older siblings. That are really. Well, they don't have to be mean, but.
Well, I have 2 sisters that are black.
Yeah, 2 older sisters. So is Jack once he's crabby.
Yeah.
It's not even funny. When he's crabby. He's a brat. But today, I built this really nice fort. I'll show you guys in a different video. But I made an igloo. It's really cool. I made it the other day. When we got that 16 feet of snow.
Comment down below if we have a camera.
We do have a camera, Jack.
No?
Yeah.
That's just our tablet.
No. Stop it, Jack. You're just faking. Jack's a brat sometimes. He's a liar. I have a real camera, you guys. Because if I could
Control the
grab
web.
the camera and show you the camera, that'll be proof. But I don't have any way to prove it.
Yeah.
But whatever. Let's just get into the video. Let's get back to the video. Wait. I gotta reload my sniper rifle. Is there any other yellow darts? No, I need the yellow darts. Green darts. So Jack. Fine. Sorry about that. My brother's being a brat, like I said, he can be.
I'm not cool.
And he can be crazy. Jack, stop messing around. Are we gonna get to the video or not?
I don't think so.
Stop it. Stop it.
Ba, ba, ba.
One second, you guys. I'm sorry about all this waiting, but I gotta get my stuff set up. No shooting, Jack.
I wanna shoot
It's
the
time
video.
for reloads.
I wanna shoot the video.
Jack, you almost shot me in the head. No headshots or face shots. And I said, no, I get 2 free. Jack, I get 2 free shots. Where did all these extra bullets come from? Whatever. And they're all blue, so it's not a help to me. Oh, I got him. I got him in the head. Jack, if I were you, I'd start grabbing your gun and start shooting. Uh-oh. No more bullets left. There we go. It's the sniper rifle zone. He's in big trouble. With this, you are. Uh-oh. Jack, don't shoot the viewers. Shoot me.
The camera. Ow! My back.
I told you, this thing is like powerful, you guys. You don't even know. Oh my gosh. Okay, drop your weapons, give me them. I think we're gonna end the vlog there. Thank you so much for watching, and peace. Woo!